war, visa problems, and financial uncertainty. Is your family really protected? Hello everyone, this is Shalini Kohli. I've been working in the financial services industry for the last 25 years and have been privileged to service more than 2,500 families across India and globally, especially NRI families in the UAE, UK, Canada, and other parts of the world. And today I want to talk about something extremely important. Right now, globally, we are seeing uncertainty everywhere. War, visa issues, layoffs, rising healthcare costs, economic flexibility, and sudden disruptions. And somewhere deep inside, every responsible NRI today is thinking about one thing. If something suddenly happens to me, will my family really remain financially secure? Most NRIs are earning well, but many are still not financially protected in a structured way. And this is where planning becomes extremely important. So today I want to quickly share 10 important financial checks every NRI family should immediately do. Number one, check your term insurance. If your family depends on your income, proper life cover is a necessity, not random policies, not outdated plans, and structured protection based on your responsibilities and future goals. Also, see how long the policy covers you. Many NRIs are now realizing that India based protection plans are sometimes much more cost effective while giving strong long term coverage. At Access Max Life, we are helping many NRI families understand and structure their protection better through completely digital support system. Number two, don't ignore health insurance in India. Many NRIs think overseas coverage is enough, but what about parents in India, future protection, emergency hospitalization here? When you are visiting India, you might need medical insurance during that time too. Health costs are rising rapidly. Companies like Niva Bupa are creating very strong healthcare ecosystems, and this is something every NRI family should seriously review. Number three, check all your nominee details and documentation. Please review your policies, passport details, PAN, Aadhaar linkage, email IDs, mobile numbers, and nominee information. One small documentation mistake can create major complications during emergencies or claims. Number four, maintain emergency liquidity. Not all money should remain locked in investments. Every family should have accessible emergency funds, especially during uncertain global times. Number five, review your investments properly. Today, many NRIs have investments scattered everywhere. Different countries, different advisors, random products, old policies, and no overall structure. Your investments should have clarity and purpose. Child education, retirement, wealth creation, family protection, and future income planning. Number six, build financially in India too. India is growing rapidly, and many smart NRIs are reconnecting financially with India for long term growth, rupee diversification, and retirement planning back home. Number seven, keep digital records ready. Insurance papers, medical records, visas, passports, investment details, everything should be digitally accessible to your family. During emergencies, quick access matters. Number eight, don't depend only on employer benefits. Jobs change, countries change, corporate policies change. Your protection should remain under your own control. Number nine, have a financial continuity plan. Ask yourself honestly, if you're unavailable for 6 months, will your family know where the investments are, how claims work, and whom to contact? This is not a comfortable conversation, but it is very important one. And finally, number 10, work with someone who remains available. Today, clients don't only need products, they need servicing, guidance, claim support, and responsiveness. Our entire team today actively supports NRI families through digital servicing systems, mobile apps, support online documentation assistance, and continuous financial guidance, because during certain times availability matters more than promise. And honestly, this video is not about creating fear, it is about creating preparedness. After 25 years of experience, I can confidently say one thing: financial distress does not come only from lack of money, it also comes from lack of planning. So, if you are an NRI watching this video and would like to understand how to structure your term insurance, health insurance, protection planning, retirement planning, or India based investments, feel free to connect with us directly. My team and I at Axis Max Life Insurance would be happy to guide you and help you understand what solutions are truly suitable for your family needs. Because wealth creation is important, but protecting your family's future is even more important. Thank you for watching.